publish your recorded video in your YouTube channel, open Google or whatever browser you use, type youtube.com. Make sure that you are logged into your Gmail account because this way how you can access your YouTube channel. Click on the little picture on the right side or the picture of your channel and check that you are correctly logged in. Click YouTube Studio. Next step, click upload video. If you don't see the option upload video, it's not a problem. Just go to the next to the picture of your account and click create, upload video, click select files if you want to browse to your computer to select the files, or simply you can just drop drag. So if you have the file already open, you can also just drop drag and the video should be uploaded. Next step, type your YouTube videos or your video title. Next step, you can tell or write a description of your video. First of all, the title has to match the content of your video. Also, the description has to match the content of your video. So for example, next step, you can choose a thumbnail. A thumbnail is a picture which you make which matches the content of your video. If you don't know how to make a thumbnail, watch one of our videos where we explain to you how you can make a thumbnail using either a dedicated software or simply using PowerPoint. So for now, I will just click upload. So as I said, we need to click on upload thumbnail. If you don't have one, the steps are very easy. If you don't have any dedicated software, just open like Snagit or Camtasia, just open PowerPoint in your computer. Click on it. And here, simply, we'll just insert picture. You can either insert a picture or you just choose a design, for example, this one. And we need to insert text. So you can choose a dedicated picture which reflects the content of your video, or you can simply just create in PowerPoint something like this. Just add the text which describes the content of a video. So now that it's ready, I will just change the size. And also the color. Now my canvas or my thumbnail is ready. I will just click save, control save. I will click on the type of the file on the right and I will choose JPG or whatever picture format. So YouTube only allow you to publish under um, GIF version or JPG format or PNG format. They have to be a picture format. So I will choose PNG. I'll just name it test. I will choose a file or browse where I can save it so that I can access it quickly and save. I will just click yes and I will reduce. Again, I go back to upload thumbnail 2020 and all files. Here, as you can see, did the error by saving it in their presentation. That's not what we want. So again, save as, browse, and I will choose save. Which slides do you want to export? Just this one, because I have just one. And this time it should work. Here we go. And I click open. As you can see, now it's here. Here we are going to select to which playlist we want to add this YouTube video. You can choose if you already want, or you can just create a new um, a new playlist and click create and click done. Once you have selected all the relevant ones whatsoever, done. And let's scroll down to the bottom. My video is not for kids, so you have to make sure if it's made for kids or not. Mine is not made for kids. And for the age restriction, there is no age restriction since I'm just showing how to publish a YouTube video. And click show more. My video doesn't contain any paid promotion. Automatic chapters. If your video contains, it's a long video in which you explain different things or multiple things, then you can allow automatic chapters and key moments so that if the viewer doesn't want to watch the entire video, they can go just to the specific moments where it interests them. Allow automatic places. And here tags. The tags can be how your video title can be spelled, if it can be spelled differently. For example, like this. This is only an example. So if your video title can be spelled or can be said in different ways, you can add those different ways, but they have to match exactly the content of your video. Tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimum role in helping viewers to find your video. You can always click learn more if you are interested. The language and caption no, certification. So my video which I recorded is in English. Caption certification there is none since I recorded this video. I didn't use any third-party content. This is my content created by me. And recording date is exactly today. Video location where I have recorded this video. And here I use a standard YouTube license. If you want to allow other people to copy your content or to take your video and to reuse it, you can select Creative Commons attribution. Or if you don't want, and the video is you hold the copyrights, then you can choose the first one. Allow embedding, publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. I will leave it as it is. Allow people to sample this content. If this is tick, people might take parts or samples of your video and use it in their videos. You can allow that, or you can disallow that by unticking it. It all depends on you. The category, you can select the category of your video. My video is science and technology. However, you can select how to and style if you would like to, whatsoever. When we come to comments and rating, you can choose allow all comments, or you can choose hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, or you can simply disable comments for this video. So choose the one which you want. And here, sorting the comments by, I prefer to select the newest to see the latest comments on my video. You can always tick or untick. If you select this option, show how many viewers like this video, people will be able to see how many people liked your video. Otherwise, they will not be able to see it. I will click next. Video elements. If you have any subtitles, you can click add subtitles. If you have any end screen, you can import it from previously published video. If you want, import from previous video, or simply what you can do, you can just click add and choose which end screens would you like to use. I leave them always till the end. And here, best for viewers, video most recent upload, and IT videos, etc. So I choose this option and click save. Next step, add cards. And I will choose, you can choose either playlist or videos as you like, or even mixed if you want. You can also add the link of a channel video to your cards, and the viewers will be able to see it. And I will place them separately so that I don't disturb the viewers, but also so that in each time they get to see these little cards appearing, they might be interested in watching additional videos from my channel. You can click to rename your playlist card, or you can just leave it as it is and click save. If you want to remove any, just locate it and click on delete cards. Click save for now, and then I will click next. Here, checks. We will check your video for issues that may restrict its visibility, and then you will have the opportunity to fix issues before publishing your video. Copyright, as you can see, no issues found because I made this video and I didn't take any other person's content. And here, as I can see, the video upload has been completed, high definition video processed, and all the checks done. So I can just go ahead and click next. And here you can choose to either keep the video as private, unlisted, or you can make it public. You can set it as instant premiere, You can read more about this instant premiere options, or you can schedule it. I will schedule it to be published tomorrow. That will be great. And I will choose, uh, okay, 3 p.m. Set as premiere if you want. And I will click schedule. The video has been done. You can always copy this link to share it in your social media with your friends, etc. So click on here, or you can choose which social media you want to share it. There are multiples. And for now, I'll just click close so far. I will go to my content. And here I have my video, as you can see, premiere, and it's set to be published tomorrow. If you want to change the publication setup, you can click under visibility, and you can change it to be published now by clicking edit and select to be published today. For now, let's go back to our video. And as you can see, it's still not published yet. View 0, comment 0. If you'd like to delete the video, just select it, click edit, click more actions, and select delete forever. And this way you have deleted the currently published video, and you can re-upload if you want or do the adjustments if needed.